Hi. Let's solve this puzzle. There is a river with a wooden raft in it. A family and a cop are standing on the left side of the river. They want to go to the other side. But there are some rules to follow. Let's check the rules. It says that a family must catch a train on the other side of a river. The train is leaving in 30 minutes. They have been joined by their friend, a cop, who wants to help them cross the river. Now, the rules are as follows. The cop can cross the river in 1 minute. Father can cross the river in 3 minutes. Mother can cross the river in 6 minutes. Daughter can cross the river in 8 minutes. Son can cross the river in 12 minutes. The last rule says that, if 2 people are on the raft, they will cross the river in the time that it would take for the slower person to cross alone. For example, if the cop and the little boy cross the river together, the cop takes 1 minute and the boy takes 12 minutes to cross. So, according to the rule, the slowest time will be considered. So here, the cop and the boy will cross the river together in 12 minutes. Okay. So, following these rules, we have to solve the puzzle. Before moving forward, you may pause the video and try to solve the puzzle on your own using pen and paper. And later, check your answer. Okay. Let's start. First, the cop and the father will go together. According to the rule, the slowest time will be considered. Here, the cop takes 1 minute and the father takes 3 minutes to cross. So the slowest time is 3 minutes. So it will take 3 minutes for the cop and father to cross the river together. See, 3 minutes are gone from 30 minutes, and 27 minutes are remaining. Now, the cop will come back alone. It will take 1 minute. So 1 minute is gone from 27 minutes. Now, 26 minutes are remaining. Next, the 2 children will go together. Their slowest time is 12 minutes, which is the time taken by the boy. So together they can travel in 12 minutes. Overall, 12 minutes have gone by from the 26 minutes, and 14 minutes are remaining. Now, father will come back alone, which will take 3 minutes. So, 3 minutes have been subtracted from 14 minutes, and 11 minutes remain. Next, the cop and mother will go together. Their slowest time is 6 minutes, which is the time taken by the mother. So together they can travel in 6 minutes. Now, 6 minutes have passed from the 11 minutes, and 5 minutes are remaining. The cop will come back, which will take 1 minute. So, 1 minute has passed from 5 minutes, and 4 minutes remain. And finally, the cop and father will go together. Their slowest time is 3 minutes, which is the time taken by the father. So 3 minutes are gone from the 4 minutes, and 1 minute is remaining. And bingo! We have solved the puzzle with 1 minute remaining on the clock. Thanks for watching.